Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet. I've already got a chain started here, so this is how to do the single crochet. What we're going to do is go down in this stitch and then you're going to wrap your hook around your yarn and pull through that hole. Then you wrap again and pull through the 2 loops here on your needle. And that makes your single crochet. We'll do it again. Go through your stitch, wrap around your needle. That leaves 2 loops. Then you wrap again and pull through those 2 loops. And then you start seeing this cute little stitch forming here. Push it through the stitch, wrap it. You have 2 loops, wrap it again, and pull it through there. And I'll do a couple of them here. I always like to crochet while I'm watching TV. It's always soothing. Let's see, there starts your little single crochet bunch. If you've liked this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon to show you another stitch. It'll be the double crochet. Thank you so much.